Hello, my dear students. I hope you all are fine. Dear children, we have already completed the syllabus of our first term in English 2. We have completed lesson number 1, 2, and 3, which was the first term syllabus. So, student, I would request you all to learn all the question answers and the exercises of all these three chapters because once the school reopens, I will start taking tests of these chapters. You have enough time to learn. You can learn well all the question answers. I hope you've done all the question answers because I've already sent it. You have to do the question answers in your English 2 copy. Now today we are going to revise the lesson number 1 of your English 2 book, the little folks presents. So students, in this chapter there are two travelers who were on a journey. So on a journey they reached at a place where there were little men dancing and singing, and there was an old man. So these two travelers joined them, and later on the old man who was in that group, he gave them good wealth, right? He gave them gold, but the goldsmith in this chapter, who was a traveler, was greedy, right? And the tailor was a very good person. Because of the greediness of the goldsmith, he lost all the wealth which he got from the old man, and as a punishment, he was forced to carry two humps on his back, and he had to live his life with bald head and two humps on his back. So we learn from this story that we should not be greedy at any point of time in our life. We should always be satisfied with whatever we have. Correct? So students, don't be greedy in your life and be happy with whatever you have, and thank God for everything what He has given you rather than demanding for more. So students, in this chapter we have done all the exercises. I hope you've all done all the exercises in your book and you've done question answers in your copy. I would request you to do the question answers in your English 2 notebook, and once the school reopens I will start taking the test. So students, there are few words in your book, and you have to make sentences from that. So I have written it here. If you can see it on the screen, make sentences using the following words. So student, you can write down these words. A is weariness. You have to make sentences from these words. It is not necessary that you have to make the sentences which are given in your book. You can make any sentence of your own, and you can also check the meaning of these words from a dictionary. So A is weariness. You have to make a sentence with the word weariness. Weariness means tiredness. B, pleasant. C, courage. D, vanished. E, willingly. F is treasure. To make a sentence with the word treasure. G, enormous. H, astonishment. D, astonishment. So student, you have to make the sentences by using these words. A is weariness, B is pleasant, C is courage, D is vanished, E is willingly, F is treasure, G is enormous, H is astonishment. That's it. And next is dictation words. So student, these are the dictation words. Distinct. A is distinct, B is whirling, C charmingly, D held back, E sufficiently, F plucked courage, G haste, H stunned, and I is comrade. So student, you have to learn these words with these spellings, and you'll also have to learn the meanings of these words, because now in dictation the words will be spoken by the teacher and you have to write the meaning of the words on your own without making any mistake. So learn it properly. All right, and do it with honesty. Thank you so much. Bye bye.